Oh, I forgot to record. I thought I would push record, but I didn't. So, hmm. Someone prayers. Um, I apologize for skipping part of the app there. I thought I had the video on, and now I'm waiting on hold on the phone. Did you hear about this? Um, you just got to call the number and basically repeat then the information you typed on your application. So I wrote 50K for the spend amount each month, and the usual information for the rest: 2.1 income, name, address, been a business since the trust.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, John. I am back, and I do have on the line Stephanie. She's one of our senior analysts, and she's going to take care of you. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much for your patience, and have a great afternoon. Thanks, John.
And you too. Bye bye. Stephanie,
Hi,
is
John.
it?
This is Stephanie. How are you doing today?
I'm good. I'm good.
Great. I want to let you know that this call may be monitored or recorded, and I do have everything pulled up here, so I understand you're just calling to check on your application today.
Yeah.
Perfect. I'm going to take a look at everything, and I'll place you on a brief hold while I do that, and I'll be right back with you. Okay?
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Also, there are 3 options for credit cards for Home Depot. It's not the personal one, it's not the pro one, it's the commercial account. That's the only one. The other don't do this. They're not backed by Citi, they don't report, they're not net 60, all that stuff. So this is the only one you want to get. Then, like everything, go make a purchase with it, wait for it to report, pay it immediately, and then it will report as soon as it gets around in their cycle to reporting. Then it'll report favorably. So, but right now, there are enough accounts reporting like this. Dun and Bradstreet. See how many accounts are reporting? 4. So hopefully that's enough to get this net 55. I think it was usually between 3 and 5. So we'll see how it goes. I generally hang out and answer the questions and pray to God in the meantime, and that helps with my applications. Send it with a prayer. I heard someone say once, and I like that. Send it with a prayer. Remember, the reason we're doing this is to set up for helicopter money. It's all set up for that. This will be one more count. Looking good, reporting, all that. And plus, we'll get into Citi with this, and so, get a real Citi credit card after this, which they have 2 for business. They have the one with, let's see, American Airlines. They have one, and they have one for what's that discount place?
Thank you so much for holding, John.
That's
I do
okay.
have everything taken care of on the application. I will get it sent over to the credit officer, and they should be back with you shortly with a decision.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. I hope you have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
No. I don't know what just happened. Oh, I'll have to call back.